Hey guys, Robert Moody with MarineMax here in Dallas. We're on our showroom floor, big air conditioned, nice beautiful showroom, probably the nicest in Dallas. I want to show you a new 2026 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS. We just got in, new colors. This boat's amazing. This is a 34 GLS. It's a hybrid day boat, little mini cabin on it. While we're back here in the back, massive swim platform. Roll up your lily pads, put extra coolers. Everybody can hang out here in North Texas on the back of the boat. Look at all this real estate you got. In addition to that too, there's also 2 hydraulic steps. So when you get anchored out, you can hit a button. Now you got some stairs going into the water, getting on and off this big, massive cockpit. Back here on the back, you got some seats. You can't sit back here when you're running the boat, but when you do get anchored out, how cool is this? You got to push a button, it unlocks it. That can fold down. Now I got a sun lounge. If you need to get out of the shade, I got 25 feet of shade here between the power shade and the fixed fiberglass hardtop shade. But you could easily, if you do want the sun, you got a nice sun lounge on the back. I got this really nice backrest back here on the back side, so kick your head up. If you want to do that angle, you can. If not, look how easy this is. Time to go. Locked back-to-back seats. They do put a nice little cockpit galley kitchen out here. I got a Kenyon electric grill. I got a sink. I got a refrigerator outside with a freezer tray on top. Storage for all my lids and a trash can right over there. Very, very convenient. Right here on the back of the boat where you're going to want it. There are 2 tables that can go here in the back. You can have one up, both up, or none of the tables like I have now to leave it nice and big and open. A lot of good cup holders, a lot of nice lighting at night to light up the floor. Here on the passenger side, you have a seating facing forward, but again, if everybody's anchored out, look how nice this is. You fold that back. Look at all this nice cushions, a lot of upholstery work. This is upgraded vinyl, looks like leather. It's really vinyl, nice and cool to the touch, but super soft and comfortable to sit on and lounge all day. If you're sitting here and need another drink, this was an option. So why not get another refrigerator right here in the cockpit too? Maybe keep drinks in here. Maybe your food's in there, marinating in a little bag. Time to cook it, you just throw it on the grill. Pretty convenient. This boat is powered by twin MerCruisers, the big blocks, 8.2 liters. So we got the big horsepower on here. We got the MerCruiser joystick docking, the MerCruiser skyhook, park and hold your boat while you're getting lines or fenders ready. It also has auto heading, a long run around the lake or something. You're tired of working the steering wheel, hit a button, it'll hold you at that heading. All digital shifters, really nice and easy. Auto trim for the drives, don't have to worry about that, just push and go. And we got electric trim tabs too. 2 Simrad screens, Mercury information, got your maps, got your fish finder, depth finders, all that stuff right front and center, exactly where you need it. A double wide helm seat, so if 2 want to ride up here in the front, you can do that. Nice flip down armrest. Again, very plush, very comfortable, upgraded upholstery, really makes it nice. For the driver of the boat, you can throw your phone down there. Got a wireless charger there, and more cup holders for your sunglasses or drinks. Check this out, we're going to walk up to the bow. I really want you to see how deep this is too. So this is more like a runabout boat, so it's a deep bow, huge cockpit seating, but look how deep this walkway is as I'm going forward. I got some lockers there to hang lines or put other stuff. You always need storage on a boat. Walking up to the bow, I have the optional bow shade up. So once you're anchored out, you can put up this bow shade, but you're deep, deep inside this boat. So it's a safe place for little ones to ride up in the bow when you're scooting across the lake. Very comfortable. There's a table that goes here. Drop it down, a filler cushion. You can make this a big sun lounge too if you want it. Great cup holders, great lighting, stereo controls. Just a great bow runabout boat. But being a Cruisers Yachts and the GLS series, they all have cabins on them. So I got a cabin that can sleep people downstairs with a air conditioner down there, a refrigerator down there, a wet head down there, take a shower on the boat. There's also onboard generator. And Cruisers Yachts, being a 75-year-old yacht manufacturer right here in the United States in Oconto, Wisconsin, they build big boats, and big boats normally diesel, and they like their generators to be diesel generators. So even though this is a gas boat, I got a diesel generator on this boat, runs at low RPM, it's safer than a gas generator, it can rack up way more hours. They do it right at Cruisers Yachts. let's go take a look at the cabin. How cool is this? If it's a nice day, you can leave the screen door open or closed. It's sunset. Close that screen door, you're not getting any of those, you know, nighttime, evening, sunset bugs coming in. Or if somebody's down there, you're out here, you can still talk to them and see them. Even kind of helps hold the cold air down there in the cabin. Of course, I got a big main door for privacy to hold that too. That's pretty cool that Cruisers Yachts thinks about that and puts that as a standard feature on the boat. See, like I said, we have another refrigerator downstairs, so you got drinks down here, so you don't have to go upstairs at night. A great U-shaped area here in the bow for seating. That table does drop down, and that forward wall, there's some extra cushions that'll slide out and make this into a nice berth that you can sleep on. I got a nice little window on the side. I got the blinds up so you can kind of see out the window, and a microwave down here. And in the back, there is a nice bed in the back. Maybe one adults, maybe two, getting cozy back there, or a bunch of kids, right? Then a really nice head. So it is a wet head. It is going to have a drain for the shower in the lower corner in the back, and curtains to protect all this nice wood cabinetry work that Cruisers Yachts builds in-house. Again, I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax. We're in Dallas. We definitely sell the Cruisers Yachts boats. So we got them from 34-foot GLS. We can get them up to 50-foot, and we've got the Cantius and Fly series too. If you want to see this boat or any of the other Cruisers Yachts boats that we have here in Dallas, please give me a call.